The federal perimeter doesn't exist anymore. Data moves between agencies, contractors, cloud workloads, and now AI agents. The mission depends on every exchange being trusted. OMB M-22-09. CISA's Zero Trust Maturity Model. NIST 800-207. The mandates are clear. Never trust, always verify, at every layer. But most agencies still rely on bolt-on tools that can't see the data they're protecting. Here's the gap. Zero trust starts with identity, but it ends at the data, and most agencies have no unified way to govern how sensitive data moves between people, machines, systems, and AI agents. That's where the mission breaks. Kiteworks closes the gap. One control plane for every sensitive data exchange. Email, file sharing, MFT, SFTP, data forms, APIs, and AI agents. Identity, policy, encryption, audit. Unified at the data layer. Built for zero trust. Kiteworks is built to federal standards. FedRAMP Moderate authorized, FedRAMP High in process.
FIPS 140-3, validated cryptography.
IL5 deployable, DoD impact level workloads, IRAP,
and SOC 2, all on the same platform.
Here's what zero trust looks like in practice. A user, or an AI agent, requests data. Identity verified. Policy applied. Data encrypted. Every action logged. Tamper evident. Audit ready. Mission defensible. This isn't a checkbox. It's how agencies move from zero trust initial to optimal
Across every CISA pillar.
One platform, every pillar, every exchange. Zero trust at the data layer. Kiteworks, the control plane for secure data exchange, built for the federal mission.
Learn more at kiteworks.com.